Well, tonight's run's going to be an interesting one. I'll give it a bit of a recap. The run's just about over. However, I left home just for a nice recovery run after beating my legs up last night at running club, and there was lots of cars and lots of airplane noise, and so I just decided to head over to Mindil Beach way. And you know, Darwin being a military town, Air Force base, Army base, Navy base, you know, there's generally something happening. There's Pitch Black, Operation Pitch Black, massive defence exercise going on at the moment. Participating military forces from Europe, Asia, the US, Australia, and their air force has put on a little bit of a pretty good air show. All different kinds of jets flying over. I'll let it take over now. And this was my evening's run. Wasn't far, didn't do a great deal of running, but the view was spectacular. Enjoy. Just a solid mid-pack performance. We're not fast, but we get there. There is a few cars. It's going to be pretty busy. You got a couple of weirdos over here.
Hit like if you want to see some more content like this.